G'day, it's Colin from Wurth and welcome to 2023. This is our first product tutorial for this year, and I hope for all of you who went out and had holidays and a break over Christmas, you had a fantastic time and you're all safe and well. And we're back into it. So let's go. I want to talk to you about the Wurth paint today. So I've got our three types of paint. Now they're all slightly different, and so let's run through them and have a look. So the first one I've got here is our Wurth Spray Paint Pro. Now it's lead free, it's acrylic paint, it dries extremely fast, it has high filling properties, so if you've got some imperfections underneath, it can fill over those. Now we've got 17 colours in the gloss, and we've got some satin colours and matte as well. So now we move on to the Wurth Lacquer Spray. I really like the finish this paint gives you. It's as close, I think, as you can get to a powder coat finish. It's really good. Now it adheres to the products very, very well. It comes in a huge range of colours, gloss, satin and matte. We have 600ml cans, which I have here. We also have 400ml cans. It's lead free, and I do like the nozzle on them as well, because the nozzle you can adjust 90 degrees to get a different fan spray, whichever way you want to go. So the third product we have in the range is the Wurth Quattro. And what I really like about the Wurth Quattro is it has anti-rust properties. Okay, so it's resistant to aging and UV as well. It adheres to almost every surface you can think of. Now Quattro does come in satin only. There's a good range of colours, but it's perfect for that really professional finish where you don't want rust to come through, so it can be used outside. So I've got an old bonnet out the back. I'm going to take a couple of these paints of the different types out there, and we'll get a bit creative, and let's have a look how they spray and how it adheres and how quick it dries. So now you've seen the three different types of Wurth spray paint in action, and I'm sure you'll agree that the coverage is fantastic, the nozzle, the spray is terrific, the colours are really vibrant and bright, and of course remember they contain no lead. Now if you tune in next week, I'll show you how to remove these spray paints from that panel. Now don't forget to like our page, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and these Wurth spray paints, they're ready for work.